Hey guys, welcome back to another week of Game on Scratch Off. It's Monday. We got a $9 session and we got the $3 Bolt Bucks. We got 3 of these today and surprise, surprise, brand new pack. Tickets 0, 1, and 2. Pretty excited about that. I love this ticket. I know this one's kind of a iffy on the channel, but I do enjoy this ticket, so we're going to scratch it. Chance of winning on this ticket is 1 in 4.54. So we have 3 of them today. Hopefully we'll squeak out a win. Basic rules of the game: you scratch off the winning symbols, you scratch them off over here. If you get a horizontal line or a vertical line, you win the prize. Under there, you gotta scratch off the prize. It's not like bingo where you know if you get a line, you only win a certain amount, but it's pretty cool. So we'll start off with ticket number 0. And we'll do 2 symbols at a time. Clover and luck. And it's very easy to miss symbols on here because some of the things just aren't the color you would expect them to be. Safe and mustache. That was a good one. Light and diamond. Like coins and sunglasses. I thought that was coins. Coins. Sunglasses. Moon and ruby. Excuse me. Thought I saw a moon somewhere, but I was mistaken, I guess. Ring and pot of gold. Cactus and star. Nothing down there. Umbrella and wallet. Bolt and pearls. Oh, and if you get a line, like if we would have got the dollar sign right here, which we didn't, but if we got it, it would have been triple this because it has the bolt in it. I don't think we got a key. I don't think we had cloud. Gold bar. Nope, I don't think we won on this ticket, but I do check all of them, so I will update at the end of the video if I did miss something. Ticket number 1. You might hear some chewing in the background. That's my dogs, because I keep them in here so they don't bark at everything that passes by on the street. Umbrella piggy banks. Early bolt and cloud. Diamond dollar sign. Nothing down there. Pot of gold horseshoe. Horseshoe. Nope. Key and rainbow. Rainbow. See, key. Light and mustache. Light. So easy to miss. That don't look like a light, just looks like a blurred yellow color. Safe and moon. Moon. Set up a couple ways down there. Bar and coins. Oh, we do have safe. It's right there. That's to be pearls and lock. And looks like this one was a big tease too. I don't see any wins on this one. Nope, nothing there. Okay. Last ticket of the day, ticket number 2. Hopefully we'll squeak out a win on this $9 session. Ticket number 2. Excuse me again, nice. Throat just can't get clear today. Sunglasses and Bolt. Umbrella and Key. Sign and Silver. Lock and Mustache. Moon and Clover. Bag and Crown. Ring and Cactus. Excuse me. Ring. No ring. Couple symbols left. Light and VIP. No VIP. Let's see what this one is. Piggy bank. Got a couple things. See if we can make it work. Pot of gold. Nope. I think we struck out 3 times in a row. Bummer. Oh well. At least it was a smaller session, so didn't strike out too bad. But guys, if you enjoyed this ticket and you enjoy the video, go ahead and give it a like. I'm sorry we lost today. I'll try again on Wednesday. We have a nice $30 session coming up. But if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I upload at least 3 days a week. If you're a continued subscriber to the channel, thank you so much for the support over the year so far. It's been a great ride, and I'm glad you guys enjoy watching them still, because I enjoy making them. If you guys have any suggestions for the channel or just want to chat, go ahead and comment down below. I'll get back to you. And what else? Oh, if you want to check out our Instagram, I'll leave a link in the description down below. And that's it for today's session, guys. I will see you on Wednesday for a big $30 session. Have a good one.